Hi everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. Like you've seen in the title, I'm going to be sharing with you all my experiences during the 2 lockdowns. Now, this is a completely different topic and I really wanted to share this with you because some of these experiences have changed my life forever. A little disclaimer before I get into it is the fact that by no means am I, belittling the hardships that all the daily wages workers have faced during this pandemic or all the businesses that have closed. Also, I'm not being insensitive to all the people who've lost their near and dear ones during this pandemic. This video is only about my experiences in the 2 lockdowns. Like what I did to not get lost in the unpredictability of this situation that none of us had foreseen and none of us knew how long we are going to be stuck into the same situation. So let's start. So when the lockdown happened, I think it was the first ever time that we had seen this, and none of us knew how to react and what to do. Also the fact that the life slowed down so much, it got so restricted. So as you all know, I own and run a vegan cafe in Mumbai. Those 11-12 months that I was going to cafe every single day, I used to be so excited. After lockdown, we were majorly hit by this phase. We had to close down. I was just sitting at home and doing nothing, and that's when I started noticing all the beautiful things that were around me, which were always there, but I never paid attention. And that's when I got into gardening. It's not a hobby anymore, it's a passion. And you've seen how I've developed that, over the last year.
And I didn't go around buying plants from nurseries and all that. I actually made a lot of them, which is cuttings, and have seen them grow from nothing into these big, healthy, bushy plants, giving me immense pleasure. So yeah, plants really helped keeping me sane during lockdown.
So I would have missed such a great feeling of joy and peace that I find when I'm around plants. So this enriching change in my life is thanks to lockdown.
Now next is driving.
Now you all must be wondering, what is driving got to do with lockdown? So wait a second, let me explain. So I had learned driving when I was 18 years old and I have a license from back then. But I never had the courage to drive in the madness of Mumbai traffic. So I always found comfort in hiring a driver or having a driver until lockdown 2020. So what happened is, during lockdown, I still used to go to the cafe, though the cafe was shut, to feed my cat that is there in the cafe. He's Momo. And to feed him, I used to go twice a day and no public transport was available. So I had to either depend on a friend or my father to every time, drop me to the cafe and then come pick me up and all that. So, and this went on for 3 months. When I realized that, oh my God, this is not how it's going to work. How long am I going to be dependent on somebody else for this? And my driver was on a chutti, yeah. So my driver was on a chutti for 3 months. So what I did is I said, best time to practice my driving, to kind of polish it again, because the roads were all empty. In Mumbai, it was almost curfew. So the roads were all empty and I started practicing again. So my father and a friend of mine really helped me a lot to get back in the groove. And in no time, I picked up and I could actually gain that confidence slowly because the lockdown also opened in phases. So slowly the traffic was being added in the city for my comfort. And I happened to get so thorough. Now I'm really thorough with driving. I can drive any car. Today is the first time I'm attempting to drive this SUV.
So it took me a lockdown in 2020 to get rid of my fear of so many years, which is driving in Mumbai's traffic.
So lockdown 1 was gardening and driving. Now lockdown 2 happened again in March 2021. Now what do I do? Because again, I had almost explored all kinds of things. Now I was drawn to minimalism. So it happened just so that on my YouTube's feed I could see a lot of minimalism videos. And I just went on to one and then the another, and I was literally drawn to it. It was like a calling. The more I started understanding about it, I realized that yes, as humans, like we literally have become slaves of consumerism. First of all, I started decluttering my house. I wanted to get rid of a lot of my collection, which I had hoarded from I don't know how many years, and most of the stuff I was not even using. I used to think, okay, I'm going to use it someday, and it never happened. I started decluttering. I started, giving away a lot of stuff that I had retained over the years. I realized it feels so good. Not just that your house becomes cleaner, it becomes decluttered, but also on the soul level, as a person, you start feeling much more lighter. Really, I cannot stress enough how beautiful minimalism is. So now I know for sure that I wouldn't buy anything unless and until I'm extremely sure that I need that stuff. So no impulse purchases, no sales shopping, and no falling for new trends. We've become such slaves of consumerism that we are literally, pulled into that. Everything that is new on the market, we want it. Everything that is on sale, we want it. We don't even think twice whether we really need it and we would use it. And that's what I'm very, very cautious about now. Whenever I go to buy anything, I see if that particular thing would add any value in my life. If not, I just move out. And this again is another very, very life-changing way of living that I have gotten thanks to pandemic. Last but not the least, my YouTube channel, Sada's Green Life. Impulse for this channel was so strong that there was no second guessing. It was just like how I started my vegan cafe. I have no experience in F&B, no business background, but I just dived into it. With all the challenges, with all the struggles, I still could make it what it is today, and I just feel so proud of myself for being able to make Earthlings what it is. So if I get an idea, if I get an intuition, impulse, whatever you call it, I just act on it. I don't think, I don't wait, I don't second guess it. I'm already, trying to execute that idea. If it wasn't for this lockdown, I wouldn't be here talking to you guys, sharing my life with you all. And the kind of love and blessings you all are giving me, I can only be very, very grateful to you all. And it just makes me feel that my decision was absolutely perfect. So I really hope that I'm being able to add some value in your lives. So yes, Sada's Green Life is again thanks to this lockdown. If you also had similar blessings in disguise during the situation of crisis, or you've learned or unlearned something that is making your life better, please do share in the comments below. We all would love to hear from you. I hope you'll enjoy watching my little journey of these 2 lockdowns. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be blessed. Okay.
Ready, rolling? Action.
So, stay with me till the end because no sales shopping and
Oh no!
Ready? And do like, share.
Action.
So lockdown మాట్లాడొద్దు.
They helped me a lot. ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళాలి అబ్బో నేనే గుటనా ఏంటండి
Rolling?
ఎక్కడి వరకు వచ్చాను అప్పుడు
My friend of.
సుమై
Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel.